What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the T-Boss 410 Limited. Now this one here, it's got all kinds of goodies on it. You've got your nice dump bed in the back, as you can see here. You can easily put that right back down, fill it with goodies in the back, and then you also have your rear tailgate here. You can pull these, this will come down. And again, keep in mind, it is 4x4. And if you look below, you've got your 2-inch receiver hitch that you can go ahead and bolt down, pull around the trailer with ease. If you guys are looking for a UTV that's 4-wheel drive, got a nice amount of space in the rear, check this one out. Once again, the 410 T-Boss Limited, in stock right now. Again, you got nice 12-inch rims on it with a 25-inch tire from the ground to the top right there. Optional winch, optional wind shield. Give us a call right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. And again, to get this one going, you got your nice dashboard here. We're in neutral. And then we've got high. We've got low, and then we also have reverse. Now this one here, again, you can switch it from 2-wheel drive into 4-wheel drive. You got your horn there, also your USB. Again, your turn signals as well. Your lights, and then of course your in and out for your winch. Give us a call right now. saferwholesale.com. Once again, the T-Boss 410. All kinds of power. We've got many videos on this model. Call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.